What's going on, everybody? Today's a good day. We are going to get the North Carolina driver's license, and I thought I'd take y'all along. It's a nice, beautiful day today, so why not get out and drive? But of course, as we always do, the first stop in any adventure is the gas station. I thought he was gonna rip it more. That's unfortunate. Old girl's looking good. God damn it. Go. All better. 3671. Love to see that. Oh, that's what the Corvette should have done. Crispy downshifts as well. This is going to be a successful DMV run, I know it. Those guys in the GMC up there gave me a good thumbs up, and I bet you if I told them it was a 6, they would take that thumbs up, and you know what they would do with it. Since the roads are pretty chill now, I just wanted to say the channel has been growing a good amount in just December. At the time of recording, we're at 238 subs, so I really do appreciate all that extra support during this month, and of course plenty of more good content to come. I kind of talked about it in my big thank you video about what's kind of the plans for this year, but are there any other kind of videos you guys are looking to see? I'm trying to give you a big wide variety of stuff to keep you guys entertained and have some fun this year. So if you want to see something that I haven't already mentioned, just drop it in the comments down below. I'd be happy to take a look and try to implement some of that feedback. And that right there is why you don't drive a Dodge and you drive a Ford. All right, we made it. Let's hope this goes well. All right, license acquired. We're good to go. Mission accomplished. We just gotta get the car registered. Anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. Hope you have a good one. Deuces.